Hi, this is Jacques from OPUS Camper. I'm going to show you what is packed into this compartment. This is the compartment where we pack our pantry and our fridge. This is how easy it is to set everything up. Open the lid. There we go. There is your 75-litre fridge freezer. We've got an option to upgrade to a 95-litre as well. Then there's an option of an ice machine. So there's an ice machine included as well. The nice thing about this fridge, you can change the lids around to the other side as well if you want. Optional if you want to access it from both sides. So that's our fridge. Then our pantry. This is our new upgraded pantry on the OPUS. Nice big working surface. Then at the bottom you've got a massive big pantry for pots and pans, bottles, a 2-litre Coke bottle will stand up straight. It's a massive space to store stuff that you need. Then at the top, all your cups, saucers, wine glasses, mugs, whiskey glasses, coffee mugs, all of that in here, all tucked away, easy to access. Back away again, very simple, just push that back. Push that back and